This is my Miele dishwasher that is causing some weird sounds at the start of the cycle. Right at the very start, I've pulled off the baseboard here and you can hear it going. So I've just pulled apart the bottom of the dishwasher again after running another hot cycle through there, see if there's any clogs in the pump for it to come out. And what I've done is I've completely drained all the water out using a cloth. Last time I didn't do that, and when I was playing with the little pulley system here, it seemed to be moving very freely. That was fine. And I've also cleaned out this filter here as well. So I'll put that back in. All nice and good, that fits well. When I was cleaning this out though, there wasn't any food or anything in there, but I did notice with the cloth, when I went underneath there, there was something in the bottom there. So I've used my handy extra poking stick, and out of there came this small bit of plastic, which looks like it's some function of the dishwasher. I'll see if I can work out if it's part of one of the baskets in here. I'm not sure. I'll just have a look through. If there's anything that's broken off, it's somehow gotten into the bottom there through the big filters after I'd cleaned them as well. So that will solve the sound of the noise. We'll do one last drain check at the start, just to make sure that when it drains out the water at the very start of a cycle, that has not made any more sound like we saw last time. I'll just show how all of this goes back in. This was the snap filter with the ball inside that's all freely moving, so that just slots straight back in and snaps back into place like that. That's a nice hard join. That's all good. Then the filter, close the trapdoor on that after cleaning it out. That's all good to go back in. Slides, sits down, locks into place. Those both line up. The swing arm pulls in and out. You can see they've got really easy tabs. Literally that easy. Pulls out, pushes back in. Lovely. So that should be good to go. Let's give it one last wash cycle. Okay, so I've just dumped a saucepanful of water in the bottom there so that the pump has to activate when I turn this on. Turn it on. Quick short wash. Should be good to go. Let's have a listen. You can hear the water draining out through the plug hole already. So that is working nice and quietly. Perfect. That's resolved the problem, no worries. That would start immediately in the previous version, so that's great news. Now you can just put the kickboard back into place. They've got these little ratchets here so that it will fit to the width of your skirting board here. So you can just slide them into the little feet hole. Don't know if you can see that there's a little foot hole in there. And on both sides. You can get them to move and push it all in. Fantastic, all done.